Alright guys, we're here at Honda Fairview. Yan, dumating na tayo. Dito kasi may mga registration. Ito yung year-end party ng Honda Brio. Siyempre, Sir Charles nandyan. Tapos, ito na yung pinaka-event. Yan, we're here at
Pagbukas ko, wala akong nagamit kahit isa.
ito na yung mismong event. Yan, Sir J. Mark. Chinga si Sir, nakasuot ng t-shirt. Smile! Smile! Hello! Oh guys, here at Honda Fairview, I met si Ma'am
Mabe.
Miss Mabe. Ayan. So may pa-coffee sila dito lagi. Di ba ma'am? Free? For inquiries and all.
Yes po.
Alright. So hanapin nyo lang si Miss Mabe. Alright. Thank you ma'am.
Welcome.
Ayan, ginagawa niya yung coffee ko. Oh, may free din biscuits. Of course, here at the event of Honda Brio Club of the Philippines. Year-ender and opener. Sorry, ma'am. Thank you. Any shoutout ba, ma'am?
Yes po.
May shoutout ka ba? Asawa, anak. Ayan, thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you, ma'am. Guys, let's check out the car kasi may mga kotse dito sa loob. So, iba-iba yung build nila. So, this is the car of Sir J. Mark. He's the racer for circuit racing. Ayan yung mga trophies niya. So, he does time attack, he does grid race. So, ito yung mga championship na, as you can see, it's all champions. Tapos, ito yung race car na ginagamit niya. Of course, shoutout sa Panic and of course, Brembo. So, this is a Honda Brio. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong year, pero it's, yan o, naka big brakes and all. Ito yung actual na coaching ginagamit niya. So, as you can see, there are the boost, ayun, may mga gauges doon. So hopefully mamaya makausap natin Sir J. Mark para ma-introduce niya yung kotse niya sa atin. This is another Brio concept. Ang ganda kasi naka-carbon fiber na siya. Shoutout sa Stage 21 body kits. And of course, naka Type 1 na sticker. Siguro, probably this is also a Stage 21. So if you're thinking, if you have this kind of Brio, if you're thinking kung anong pwede nyong mabuuin, so as you can see, there are 5 different Brio setups that you could choose from. So from the racers, from, I believe this is a JDM, of course, as well as this one. So Mugen inspired, if I'm not mistaken, or So most of them are RS. Itong ganda ng kulay, oh. Tignan niyo yung kulay nito. Parang naka-wrap. So I believe since na may numbers well, I would assume this is also a race track car. Ayan. Solid, oh. Ganda. Ganda, very nice. Okay. This Honda Brio naman, na naka OZ Racing siya, pero outdoor siya. So yung build niya, para may ano siya, may utility box, top box. Tapos ang ganda nung ang ganda nung setup nito. Parang rally na outdoor. Tapos may naka-stabilizer. Very nice. Oh, shoutout sa Jollibee, oh. Nice. Ayan, ganda ng top box niya. So if you're thinking of what to do with your Brio, so here are the 5 cars that you could choose from. Depende kung anong lifestyle nyo. And the good thing about Brio is that it's versatile, eh. You could use it for like this one, parang rally setup kasi laki ng mud flaps na. Tapos ito, this is the actual race car. And definitely ito, naka roll cage, naka bucket seat, naka quick shift, naka grabe. Oh, di ba? Who would have thought that this is a Brio? Ayun, kay Sir Macaraig pala to. Paul Macaraig, if I'm not mistaken. Ay, may number pa, oh. Tapos may hood scope. Di ko lang alam kung anong engine ang meron to, kung souped up din, pero grabe. Sobrang solid nito. So this is an actual race car. Kasi may extinguisher din siya. Tapos yung fan niya, tapos yung starter niya. And of course the wing. This is not aesthetics. This is kasi tingnan nyo guys, naka plexiglass. Oh, di ba? So hindi ko lang alam kung this is not aesthetics, definitely. With the looks of it, tingnan nyo. Bucket seat pa lang. Tapos yun nandun sa loob. Grabe, solid. Honda Brio to guys, ha. This is Honda Brio. It's an econo car, pero with the attitude. Yun ang maganda dito sa mga concept, eh. Lalo na pag mga Japanese car, ang dali nyo i-conceptualize. Shout out to the fans, to our subscribers sa USA. I don't know if there's a Brio there. Oh, shout out sa Clean Builds. Moss Speed. Grabe. HCP of course, and Honda Club Brio. Honda Brio Club Philippines. Okay, I'm not sure kung dun sa I just want to make a big shout out dun sa ating mga friends from the US. I don't know kung may Brio sa States, pero this is a Honda Brio. This is an econo car. Tapos as you can see, iba-iba yung concept niya. Diba? Ito ganda nito. Tsaka I love the mags. Itong rims na to, gusto ko to for any car na 4-door. Pwede siya sa Lancer box type, so old school. Pwede rin siya sa mga GL Corolla or depende sa build mo, pero usually European build to. And rally. Ayan. Very nice. Naka red emblem. Because it's an RS. Solid. Galing. Ganda dito sa Honda Cars Fairview. Ayan, ganda nito. Yung accents niya, yung mga orange accents niya, terno dito sa kulay ng car. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, gusto ko na tuloy mag-Brio. Oh, shoutout sa Scorpion Auto Sport. Alam ko, one of the sponsors of this event. Yan. Tapos may mga food. Okay, punta naman tayo dito sa mga food. This is Bailey's Brew PH. Hi. Tapos ayan, may mga drinks sila. So kung gusto nyo malasing o hindi malasing, check out Bailey's Brew PH. Solid, oh. Bossing, bakit may salamin?
Actually, share. Parang recommended. Parang design na concept.
Okay. Kala ko para makita pag lasing ka na. Titignan ko, lasing na ako. Oo, tipsy na. Ayan, sipping good vibes. Grabe, solid to. Galing. Boss, thank you. Thank you. Facebook page?
Bailey's.
Okay, Bailey's Brew PH. So check it out. Okay, dito naman tayo sa Insure Online, Bigatin Insurance. Ito, solid tong insurance na to. Ayan, ang dami mamigay nito lagi. Lagi may payong, fans, tapos may ballpens. Solid to. So check it out, Bigatin Insurance. Okay, ito naman, ito Carbon Complex. So shoutout kay Moab. Moab, alam ko, sponsor mo to. Baka naman Moab, pakisabi kay sa boss ano. Hindi, joke lang. So ayan, so if you're auto sales group incorporated, they have products like Kirina from King D Oro Spa, JDM Garage, AutoWorks, and of course Carbon Complex. Hindi ako makapag-Carbon Complex question of the day dahil kay Moab yun. At natatawa si ma'am sa akin. Ayan, pero yan, meron silang mga giveaways dito. They have plate, they have caps, stickers from Kirina, and of course Carbon Complex. Saka t-shirt ba to, ma'am? Ano ba yan? Free? Pang-wrap? Ay, ayan yung t-shirt. Okay, tapos ito, ganda naman ito. Totoong carbon to, ma'am? Stickers, ha? Okay. Pero kahit na, stig eh. Charmaine, shoutout sa'yo. Oh, Carbon Complex. Guys, I'm with Miss Kimi of Carbon Complex.
Please visit our booth here in Honda or Fairview.
Saka shop. Saan ang shop?
Our shop is located here in Fairview.
Alright. Miss Kimi, thank you. Hi, sir. Hello. Hello. Hi kuya, good afternoon. Yun, guys, may photo booth din sila. Oh. So if you wanna check it out, tingnan mo. May photo booth. Oh, guys, ito para sa akin talaga to. Pogi ako matagal na. Hindi, joke lang. Pero solid. So guys, this is Sweet Smile Photo Booth. So kung gusto nyo, may events kayo, ayan. Ayan. So,
Ito yung logo.
okay, so check it out. Sweet Smile Photo Booth.
Thank you, sir.
Sobrang solid. Galing. Kung may events kayo, just check them out. Invite nyo sila or basta, solid to. Galing nito. Na souvenir kayo kasi namamagnet yung picture, di ba ma'am? Ayun. Tingnan nyo. Linaw pa ng picture. Very nice. Right. Ayun. Thank you ma'am. Guys, dito naman tayo.
Hi, hello. Familiar faces, some of the officers. And anyway, Ms. Chanel Zeron, President of the Honda Wheel Club of the Philippines, and the club officers, guests, members, and friends, good afternoon. I'm Mark Field, General Sales Manager of Honda Cars Fairview. And on behalf of our GM, our associates, it's my pleasure to welcome you to our dealer. We are honored by your presence and grateful that you have chosen to spend your time with us. This gathering is truly
Guys, check it out. Facial Plus. Ayan, may mga soap sila. Fruit acid, BioLite. For all your skincare needs, check out Facial Plus. Thank you, ma'am. Ayan, check out. Ayan, Facebook, they have TikTok, they have Facebook, they have Instagram. Thank you, ma'am. Sige, ma'am.
Yan yung promo namin.
Promo to. Dito lang to naman, pero pwede magamit yan. Dito lang. Dito.
Opo. Saan po ba kayo, sir?
brothers and sisters. So, thank you for coming dito sa unit party. So, I'm Oliver Victoria, one of the group's group retail managers for Covers Fairview. So, yung iba dito, siguro dito na talaga kayo.
Okay guys, yung ina-announce ni ma'am, ito yung photo contest na pinost nila dun sa kanilang Facebook page. Kaya lang di tayo nakasali, hindi tayo umabot. Pero ito na yung mga nanalo. Guys, from Honda Fairview, these are the guys. Check nyo lang, Honda Fairview. Like and visit their showroom. Hinahabol. Hinahabol niya yung yung infrared. Ewan ko lang guys, pag yan ang humabol sa inyo, yung aso na yan. Ah shit, walang leash. Congratulations, ma'am.
Follow niyo po siya.
Sa pag-attend yung and of course kaya Honda Fairview kay Ma'am Rachel. Ma'am, thank you po. Sa buong staff and team ng Honda Cars Fairview, maraming salamat po. Thank you po sa pag-attend nyo na year-ender yung mga opener. Kasi year-ender daw, pero opener talaga siya. So maraming salamat po. I know it's a difficult like the Sunday. It's supposed to be a family time, family day, kaya nandito po kayo spending time with us. We're very, very thankful po for that. Chanel, ano? Ayun, pili natin. Nasaan po isang mic? Tulungan ako ni Chanel. Pwede po mahiram? Mic po, mic. Semi-synthetic 1 gallon. What gallon? Number 6.
Ayun na, may picture mo. Bawal po.
Di ba sasayaw din?
Ako, may
Bakit 2020? Bakit 2026 na? 2025 year end. Kasi nga, during the 2025 year ended on January 18, 2026.
Paolo, ikaw gumawa.
Kaya ano na,
Wala nang hihina kayo eh.
hindi mapper. Black nuts. Car.
Galing sa Arcade Wheels.
Pili ko, unahin natin yung bumper. Ito yung bumper. Ito yung oil. Ito yung speaker. Parang mali akin yung naman.
Number 30.
Okay, next month, change ko ulit.
Next natin. Speaker.
Okay.
Ikaw naman, major kasi to, minor kasi yung kanina. So major to, minor yung kanina. Pwede mo yung flat jazz. Kasi ang tubo lang naman yung jazz.
Okay, congratulations.
Ayun. So ito po yung ano natin, bigay ko na
Continue yung Thank you. Hopefully makita ko po kayo sa event ng Contact Laro sa Philippines. Meron po kami upcoming waiting list. March na po kasi June, February, so more or less March na po. Pero Jones TV, thank you.
Thank you, Sir Charles. Thank you.
Again, salamat po. Salamat sa support kayo sa this time po para mas masaya. Thank you. Ingat po kayo dito ng pag-uwi po. Salamat.
sino yung ano?
Sir Charles, thank you. Ingat.
Hindi naman mangyayari itong event. Siyempre, collective effort itong event nito. Pero, papasalamatan natin, of course, meron tayong certificate para sa ating presidente. So, ito lang siya, Serol. Thank you so much, President.
Thank you so much. Sino may pwede yung apelido mo dito? Magagalit yung asawa ko nito para iba yung asawa ko dito. Sino to, Pao?
Oh guys, check it out. Solid nito. Ano to? Yung upholstery.
Pagpunta nyo.
Seat cover.
Thank you.
Discounted. Oh guys, check it out.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Kung gusto nyo umorder, kay Ma'am Chanel, ayan yung link niya, oh, yan, oh. Fruit cake. Ano ba to? Banana cake? Choco banana cake kasi may chocolate, ano eh. Eto, gawa nyo ba, ma'am? Gawa nyo, sir? Gawa ni ma'am? Si Chanel, baka talaga. Thank you. Alright guys, just a quick one. We're here at the Honda Brio Club Philippines year-end meet and also year opener. I would like to make a big shout out kay Miss Chanel for inviting us to be part of the media team, and of course just si Sir Charles of Honda Club Philippines, and si Sir J Mark is one of the racers of Honda Brio Club. And sobrang thank you talaga kay Miss Chanel and to all the staff and members of the group. Sobrang thank you, and also thank you Honda Fairview for hosting the show and for making this the event for the Honda Club Philippines and Honda Brio Club Philippines car meet. All right. Salamat. Thank you, sir. Thank you. It's okay na. Sir J Mark, good luck ulit sa mga susunod na race, ha. Thank you. Always. Thank you. Ay, Sir Paul pa pala. Thank you. Sir Moises, thank you. Solid. Always. Thank you. Congrats. Congratulations, sir. Guys, Jumps TV Media, we're here at the Honda Fairview for the Honda Brio Club Philippines. Ano ba to? Year-ender opener. And I'm with, of course, the lovely Miss Chanel Ceron, first the president. Ma'am, how was the event?
Sobrang thankful ako sa mga members na pumunta and sa lahat ng sumuporta sa event namin, lalo na kay Sir.
Hey, thank you. Guys, sobrang, ma'am, congratulations.
Thank you.
We look forward for the next event. Tapos, and more of the Honda Brio Club Philippines sa Honda Club Philippines meet.
Yes.
Alright?
Thank you so
Next
much.
project, ma'am,
Meron kaming niluluto pero to be announced.
to be announced. Alright, ma'am, thank you very much. Have a great day. Guys, like and subscribe this channel so we could feature more inspiring people like it and more inspiring group.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a great day. Good night. Sir, ingat po, ingat po. Sir, ingat po, thank you. Oh, palalay lang. Sir, ingat po.
Guys, hulaan nyo kung nasan ako. Sakay ako sa kotse ni Ma'am Chanel. At kasama si Sai. Yun. Sa likod ay Kasbigita. Tama ba? Sai, no? Yun na, shoutout sa kanya. Mabay ako. Congratulations talaga sa'yo, ma'am. Sobrang solid talaga ng event mo. Galing.
This episode is brought to you by Mirror Shine Auto Detailing and Cool Man Essentials.